Good day, my name is Willie Okamp, National Spokesperson for the Democratic Alliance. The DA will today support the appropriation bill. This comes after President Ramaphosa has finally dismissed Minister Nkabane from his cabinet. This came after relentless pressure from the DA on President Ramaphosa to do so. We cannot have it that we've got ministers serving in our government that lie to Parliament and that have got a total disregard for Parliament. But the fight does not stop there. We will keep on applying pressure on President Ramaphosa to clean out his government of anybody that have been implicated in corruption. Thembi Simelane must be next on the chopping block. We saw that Thembi Simelane have been implicated in the VBS looting scheme, and we've got to get rid of her. The Democratic Alliance will, every day that we are part of this GNU, fight towards the benefit of every South African. We will be relentless in our fight against corruption, and we will serve South Africans diligently. Thank you.
DA at Work, rescuing South Africa.